What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Hope y'all like that little intro of me creeping through the mall to pick these up. Thanks Jordan Brand right off the bat for giving us a whole bunch of good and not glue. The quality on these is actually really good. You'll see that in a second. But just gotta say that this is the first video with my kid. He was born June 19th at 2:22 p.m. Here's a picture of him. Yeah, it's a cute baby, right? I don't want to hear about none of that sus stuff. But he's a cute baby. And, in the future, he's going to be in a few videos, creeping, doing some on feet, some little baby on feet, because I got the adult side. We got to do the on feet for the baby so y'all can see, what your kid's going to look like in it, stuff like that, the quality of your kid's shoes, stuff like that. So we'll make that happen. But in the meantime, let's jump into this one. And shout out to Foot Locker for the raffle win. I didn't think I'd win the raffle, but when I saw it, I was like, yo, I appreciate it. Because, on the bigger things, typically it just it's like, oh, you're in the waiting line or whatever, and it never gives it to me. But I copped it, so can't really complain. And there's the box. It's got the same box as the Jordan 11 Low Jeter. Same color basically, so I don't know, but the box is cool. Bam, size 12. Boop, boop, boop. This thing is kind of pricey though. It was like $224, but honestly, like I said, the quality on it's good, and at least it wasn't like $450, stuff like that. It's good quality suede, nubuck. Yeah, I'll just show y'all. But could have been a lot worse going by Jordan. How they typically are with higher quality things. Ooh. I've only opened it to see, so they feel really good. I like how they do that double paper for the good quality ones. Yeah. Tuck that back real quick. Okay, I might not be able to get it back as far as I want to get it, but there you go. So, these are the Air Jordan 12 Michigan NRGs. I'm sure a lot of y'all out there picking up from Champs and Foot Locker noticed that when you went to go pick it up, they didn't let you use your little $15, $20 little things because it's a quick strike, and they need to quit with that already. Just quit. I earned that, and I should be able to use it when I want to use it on whatever shoe I want to use it on. Otherwise, they're never going to be used. And I know it's probably a gimmick to just be able to get you money and not have anybody get whatever, but y'all need to like figure something out and get that done. Because it's irritating to go in there and like whip out your phone and get everything out and ready and be like, oh, well, you can't use it on this. It's a quick strike. I don't care about your quick strike. I care about my wallet. So please take my coupon that y'all graciously gave me on the last time I spent $200. Word? Word. So anyway, enough of that ranting and raving. Let's jump into this. This first started out as a Michigan State player exclusive. It was a PSNY Jordan brand collab, specifically for the college football team. And the only real difference between the two, this one and that one, is A, the hang tag with the PSNY branding on it, and B, this back here. It was all yellow, which, given the little hints of yellow, would actually make it pop a little bit more than this does. But I'm not complaining because it's still got the same quality, basically. It feels great. Like, if y'all were able to cop this, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. There's very little glue stains, messed up stitching. It's good. I like it. And I think also the guts were yellow as well on the PSNY. So this shoe, it comes dressed with a full either suede or nubuck. Might be a blend. Upper with yellow accents on it, and it's the Michigan colors, so they're college blue and Amarillo, I believe, or something like that. Then you've got the tonal blue rubber sole and the Michigan block logo M on the tongue right there. And you follow it all up with the Jordan branded lace tips. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I want to get this on foot, so let's check it out on foot real quick. I bet you this is going to look nice. Just like I thought, looks amazing, feels just like a 12. Look at that bottom though. It kind of looks like honey, you know what I'm saying? It's got the little things for the honeycomb and the little honey bit. This thing looks nice. I like the little bit of extra time they put into this. It's amazing. But check this out. Right here on the tongue, the Jordan, the 2-3 and all that stuff. It's actually like popped up. It's not stitched in there. It's kind of like I don't know. It's like on the other side of it, they just took like a branding iron and like poked it out. Let's flip it on the inside for you. Now, with the original I told you about with the PSNY deal, that was specifically made for the Michigan State Wolverines football team. And they were originally showed by the team's football equipment manager named Sonny Anderson. And this was the first ever college football collab between Jordan and Michigan. And it also included co-branded footwear as well as apparel. And with that whole deal, they also included a pair of one-of-a-kind khaki pants for the football coach. They were PSNY Jordan branded khaki pants for the football coach Jim Harborough, so that he could wear them on the sidelines and look fly and like stun on them. Be like, yo, what's up, coach? I know we just dominated you. Check out my Jordan brand. I bet you only got that. You got them Dockers or whatever, but I got my PSNY. So sorry about that. But I mean, honestly, all jokes aside, and all history facts and all that good stuff aside, this is actually a really good shoe. They had the blue suede shoes last year. I think it was maybe 2 years ago. Not that great. I mean, there's a reason why they set around. They had glue stains. They just either suede or nubuck or whatever. I think it was suede on those. They called them blue suede, so I guess it was. But overall, the quality just wasn't that good. A friend of mine got a pair. They bled like it. They just they weren't good. I was gonna cop them until I went to the store and saw them and was like, hell no. They just did not look that good in person. But these, if it was just all blue, that's one thing. They would probably look kind of plain, but with the little yellow accents on it, it just makes it pop. It's got tongue on one, tongue on the other. You got the all blue, and then you got the Michigan logo right there. And honestly, I'm not even a big fan of Michigan. I mean, I had an ex-girlfriend that was from Michigan and whatnot, but I never really followed them. So, and if you look at the insole on these, it's bright yellow. There you go. So that just adds a little bit more pop. They really should have done the PSNY deal and just put the yellow there. They should have done something a little bit different on the PSNYs, like made them out of a different suede or something, so that way that's the difference. Because I mean, making that the only difference, the little color back here, that's not. At least just like do the outline in yellow for this model. If you're not just gonna do the whole thing, just do the outline like Jordan. Write that in yellow or something. Give it a little bit more pop and balance. You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep this one short. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Stay tuned for some B-roll and, some photos like we always do. I have like 7 shoes on the way in the mail. All bangers. This kid's already starting to bring me good luck. So stay tuned for those. Just a little hint. Probably my next one is going to be that size exclusive Air Max. Can't believe I got that one. That one was so easy to cop. It was ridiculous. And just because my wife was pregnant, keeping me up at night is the only reason why I was able to cop it. So stay tuned for all those. And we've hit 500. Thank you guys so much. So much. And just stay tuned. You want to follow me on social media because I'm doing a giveaway for that 500 just to say thank you. I'll put a poll up. I'll let y'all know. I'll get it all worked out, get some ideas put together. And I'll throw that poll up on my social media. And I'll also put it probably in one of the next videos descriptions, just so you guys can, tell me what you want to do. What do you guys want? And we'll go from there. So thanks again on the 500. I really appreciate y'all. And see, I mean, I'm not even monetized. They took all that away, and I'm just doing this for the love of the shoe game. There's some people out there that are ignorant, that don't know about their shoes. This way they can learn a little bit, and some of y'all are just not getting into it, and y'all want to see some things, y'all want to learn some things. So I really appreciate y'all sticking with me. And yeah, I will catch y'all next time. Peace.